When it comes to SEMA, I feel like, God, one word, that's hard. I would say there's a lot of passion.
Passion. We really enjoy the passion of the folks that are involved here. It's extremely motivating to be here.
SEMA is very exciting. There's a lot of opportunity. There's a lot of technology. And there's a lot of things to learn.
You got just the coolest and newest inventions that are car related, and they're all here.
This year, there's a whole new vibe here. It seems like there's more companies, there's more aftermarket products.
SEMA is the place. We really appreciate the SEMA community here and what they have to offer.
When you come to SEMA, you don't just see large manufacturers, you see vendors and product companies that are from all sorts of markets, whether they're a small brand new company just trying to get their name out there, or it's a huge brand like Toyota. I mean, the cool thing is that this is a place to not only get educated on new products and what's in the industry, but it's also a place for networking, right?
I've had more face-to-face meetings with key people in the industry than I probably have the whole rest of the year.
It's an opportunity for us to come out here and showcase our innovation.
The innovation at SEMA is definitely on another level.
It's extremely motivating to be here with these teams talking about what we're doing today and what we want to do tomorrow, and try to get ahead of that, try to identify what the next group is going to be passionate about and be ready there with the product they want.
We're coming here and we're getting in front of an incredible audience. That's the opportunities that you can really get by going to SEMA.
We figured, you know what, this is a place for us just to show off the sauce that we got that no one else can really compete with.